Just recently we went over the switch in practice, and I thought I would show you this clip here. The voiceover I'm doing is over a match from the Catholic Invitational Tournament, Molar Wrestler in Padua, so you can see some pretty tough technique by these two. But back to the video that's just after this one. Again, we were talking about the switch. We went over the technique in practice. The clip or two clips that you're going to see are from a camp that I went to with my high school wrestling team a few years back with Ken Chertow. It's a power switch, talks about the switch technique, when to use it, and a couple things that you can switch off to. He does a nice job of explaining that the power switch coming out has a lot to do with your hip heist technique, which we've also gone over in practice. And you can transition in a switch to a couple different things. Power switch, we switch and drive across, much like we do with our high crotch or double leg. And then he even shows a part where you can transition into a switch that turns into a cradle. So it's some good technique. It's a reinforcement of things that we taught in practice. And take a look at it and review it as many times as you need to. And it'll definitely help you with your technique. So pay attention to a lot of things you see with the wrestlers that are performing the technique in the video. Enjoy it and use it. It's worth your while.
So there you go. He's wasted 5 seconds of her life. Whoa, sure. That's what I'm going to spin. Whoa, spin those hips. Go! That's a good move. I don't care if you're 7 or 17. You got to have a good hip heist. It's very, very important. You've got to be able to hip heist. It's a critical skill. Even if you never use a switch or power switch in the past, practice it. The ability to hip heist is important. You're always going to hip heist positions. And you're in the NCAA tournament, and somebody high crotch you, not showing your ass. Are you going to pull him on top of you? No, you're going to hip heist. Talk that kid over. Sit back, knock, crack him down, Smith. Smith, crack him down. Hip heist, get off your ass. That's it. Who's ever been there? Just crack it down again. Who's ever been there? If you just sit there and hold on and pray, God ain't gonna help you. You don't care if you're on your ass. Alright, you gotta get off your ass. Hip heist. Alright. So the ability to hip heist is really, really important. And the twister, the twister and spin. Coming at me over here. Hip heist. Sweet. Alright, Smith, paybacks. So the hip heist skill is essential. What we're going to work on, little guys, focus. We're going to work on 2 moves. Switch to the power switch. Zane, you're down. Wolf, you're on top. Hit 1 switch each. Switch! Ready? Now I want to reverse the switch to reversal. Wolf, reversal. Switch! Drive cross. Good. Zane, build your base. Referee, switch! Drive cross. Good. And power switch for 1. Ready? Skip, escape. Go! Power switch for 1. Clear out. Other man. Go! Good. Alright, I kept you in here for 5, 6, 7 minutes. You better make sure you do that stuff. Same big question. Power switch and switch. Hip heist. Hip heist. 1, 2, 3. You're thinking you're in a scramble. You switch or scramble. Put your arm out and cradle up there. Switch hard. Switch hard. Switch! Boom, cradle. Alright, every take your switch off. Do like this. Reach for a switch. He's pulling his leg away. What do you got? Cradle. Near side cradle. Coach, we're actually looking at this. Boom, boom, boom. Go. Switch. Boom. Good one. But you know what? You guys can go to the next group. You can go to your review and work on this thing. Take it to the right review and your standpoint there. But here's one that you can do is how to write it from the stage here to your review. Power switch to a snake. Power switch to a snake. Go. Other man. Fully move. Power switch. Snake. Alright, here's how it works. Get ready for position. If you're hitting a right-handed power switch, you're going to be in position to do a left-handed snake and you come out front and fully move. It's a very realistic combination. In your head, you're not thinking just power switch for 1 and then hang out. You're thinking power switch, you go run that sucker over. Who likes bullying people with the snake? Who uses the snake? We all use it. If you don't use it, you gotta learn it. It's a fundamental wrestling move. It's like half Nelson, you gotta have it. Alright? So, just go hard. Power switch, snake, turn them over. Other hand. Power switch, snake, turn them over. Just like any move we teach here in camp, throughout your career, once you get it down on one side, work on it on the other. Work on it. You can't get it down, Kelly. If both decides to get on this other side, you know, you got to work it. So you go left-handed power switch, right-handed snake. Good. All right, I think you little guys are way more than I wanted to last night. Go work on power switch to a snake. Take it from there. Little guys, go down, run. All right. One more thing for you guys. Who uses a Turk? Anybody use a Turk? It's a really great move. You see it off takedowns a lot. You see it so much. Like the most common place you see it from. Let's just look at a Turk real quick. You know, it's in a double leg. You get knocked down. Finish the Turk. That was literally a high crush double. That's fine. That happens a lot too. Finishing it off, your head outside takedown is real common. Some guys, you gotta stand up, they get behind. They'll go claw and crotch, lift him up, turn one way down. That's a real common one. Belly down, cross wrist roll, face up, hand behind leg, hold it, belly down, pull the wrist, lift the leg, turn. You screw it up. You gotta think faster. Hand behind legs. Roll it, hold it, pull the wrist tight, turn. Pull the wrist, lift the knee, step through, turn. Where else can I turn from? Huh? Legs, trail stuff, cross face to a turn, all good. There's so many places you can use it. Here's one, switch to a turn. Go to the reversal, you drive it forward, bust it, swing and drive. Very realistic combination. All right, looking for reversal. Switch to a turn. Again, out of man. Go! Drive! Alright? So the three moves you're focusing on are switch to a turn, switch to a cradle, and power switch to a snake. I think the one that you're going to have the most success with is a power switch to a snake. That's the easiest. You just pull away over. Alright, let's see some other demonstrators out here. TJ Tate. Take it down. Power switch to a snake. Go! Good. TJ, belly down, lift base. Power switch. Snake left arm. Boom. Good. Same belly down. Boom, boom, boom. Switch hard turn. Switch. Drive. Step through. Lift. Turn. You take the cradle. You don't need to lift your arm on that one. All right. Do it again. Get it right. Switch. Drive through leg. Leg crash. Switch. Drive. Get those knees. Step through turn, cross face, elevate turn, win it up player. Here you go. TJ, switch, you're gonna lift your arm, cradle. Switch, right arm, lift arms, near side cradle. There you go, bless you. Hands blessing your movie. Good job, TJ, good job. Okay, well, yes, master move. All right.